seeking a personalized approach to investing managed by analysts. Welcome to Anand Rathi Portfolio Management Services. We offer you a bespoke investment solution crafted and managed by seasoned professionals. Our goal is to grow your investments through focused, research-backed strategies that are tailored to your unique financial aspirations and risk appetite. Why choose Anand Rathi for portfolio management? Expert management. Your portfolio is in the hands of experienced fund managers who leverage deep market expertise to make strategic investment decisions. Focused strategy. We believe in quality over quantity. Our portfolios typically consist of 15 to 20 carefully selected stocks to maximize growth potential. Customized solutions. We design a personalized investment strategy that aligns perfectly with your financial objectives and risk profile. Dynamic asset allocation. We actively manage your portfolio, adapting to market changes to mitigate risk and capture emerging opportunities. Complete transparency. Stay informed with regular, detailed reports on your portfolio's performance and enjoy direct access to our fund management team. Our offerings include Impress PMS. This is a multi-cap PMS strategy consisting of 15 to 20 stocks diversified across sectors with 70% to 80% allocation in mid and small cap and a balance of 20% to 30% in large cap. MNC portfolio, a large cap PMS strategy consisting of multinational companies listed in India, which has a foreign shareholding of over 50 ors and the management control is bestowed in foreign companies and technological and management know-how brought in by foreign partner investors. IDR PMS. IDR is a multi-asset PMS. Different asset classes perform in different time interval. To capture the diverged nature of underlying asset price movement, a professionally managed multi-asset fund can smoothen out the returns at the overall portfolio level. Decennium opportunities. Decennium means a decade. This strategy is focused on the long-term growth of the new age Indian economy. This small-cap PMS investment portfolio would be comprised of 15 to 20 stocks companies that are likely to benefit from the Industrial Revolution, new age business favorable policies, and companies that are showing visible signs of turnaround with higher growth in their next business upcycle. Experience the next level of investing with a partner dedicated to your financial success. Visit anandrathipms.com to learn more about our portfolio management services and start your journey towards sophisticated wealth creation.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.